Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavre from Gossipfunda. Today we are going to look at the problem of iPhone lagging after iOS 18 update. This might be due to the software bugs or glitches which are found in the software update. Hence, let us look at a few steps that will solve this issue. First is low power mode. Low power mode enables the low usage of the battery. For this, you need to go to settings and search for the low power mode and enable it on. Or else you can scroll down the control center and over there click on the low battery mode to enable the low power mode. Step 2 is to update all the applications. For this, go to your app store and then click on your profile icon. Over there, look at all the updates of the application and make sure all your applications are updated to their latest version. Third step is to disable Siri suggestions. Now go to the settings and then scroll down to Siri. Over here, you need to turn off Siri suggestions. This will help the phone to reduce the lagging problem. Fourth step is force restart. For this, you need to press the volume up and volume down button simultaneously with the power button till the time a black screen with the Apple logo appears. Then free up the storage. For this, you need to go to the settings of your iPhone and then click on General. Over here, select the iPhone storage and clear or offload all the applications which are not required. Last step is to update your software. For this, go to the settings, click on General and then Software Update. Make sure that your phone is running on the latest version of software update. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.